Harrell Creek is located in Jackson County, North Carolina, and is a tributary to the Caney Fork River. This project was situated in the same valley where the sacred Judacula Rock is found, a soapstone outcropping covered with hundreds of ancient pre-Cherokee carvings. The project was a collaboration of the Eastern Band of Cherokee Indians, the North Carolina Division of Mitigation Services, EW Solutions, STANTEC, Equinox Environmental, and Penland Contracting. The property involved has been in the Harrell family for several generations and includes a preserved 1880s farmhouse. In the 1970s, strawberries were planted, and the existing Harrell Creek channel was relocated to the northern side of the property. Steve Melton of Equinox approached Miss Harrell with a proposal to restore the Harrell stream to its original state. She was very enthusiastic about the project and quickly signed on. The Division of Mitigation Services accepted the project and the design and permitting process began. The upper reach of this project was a Rosgen B type classification and the lower reach was a Rosgen Class E stream type. A new channel, 2,442 linear feet, was designed, permitted, and constructed utilizing only natural materials such as boulders, brush, logs, and native river cobble. The first 300 linear feet of the headwaters was constructed on an average slope of 20%. The existing wetland area was expanded to 11 acres. A Cherokee heritage area was identified in the center of the project. The team was able to work with the Eastern Band of Cherokee Indians and the area was not disturbed during construction. Penland Contracting experimented with transplanting the existing sod into the newly constructed channel. Because of the success, we will be utilizing this process again in the future. Existing arrowhead plants, rush, along with several other species were also transplanted and will quickly grow in. Everyone that was involved in this project is very pleased with the results, especially Miss Harrell. Penland Contracting is looking forward to many more projects with this stellar team in the future.